Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the deadlines of college applications which ends in December and January. As CAT scorecards are out, the next month you will be applying to many colleges. You can use this video as a reference to know about the college deadlines. We will also upload a video series in which you will be able to get a list of colleges to which you should apply if you fall within a certain percentile range like 95 plus percentile, 90 to 95 percentile, 80 to 90 percentile and 70 to 80 percentile. These are the major colleges that close applications in December. IMT Nagpur and Hyderabad closes their applications on 26th December. Their application fees is 3,500 and they accept the scores of CAT, ZAT, GMAT and CMAT. IMT Ghaziabad just now reopened their application form but its deadline is unknown. Please fill the form as soon as possible. The next one is Institute of Rural Management, Anand. IRMA. Its application form also closes on 26th December. Its application fees is 2000 and accepts the scores of CAT, SAT and CMAT. Birla Institute of Management Technology closes its application form on 31st December and their application fees is 2000. They accept the scores of CAT, SAT, GMAT and CMAT. MAT scores are only acceptable for PGDM Retail Management and PGDM Insurance Business Management. These are the major colleges that close applications in January. First one is Goa Institute of Management. Its deadline is 2nd January. It can be applied through ZAT and GMAT. Their application through CAT is over. The application fees for one program is 2,500 and the application fees increases by 500 for each subsequent program. The next one is Great Lakes Institute of Management. Their deadline is 4th January. The application fees is 2,000 and they accept the scores of CAT, ZAT, GMAT and CMAT. Third one is Delhi School of Economics, Delhi University. Their deadline is 5th January and the application fees is 2,000. They accept the scores of CAT. The fourth one is Department of Business Economics. It's also in Delhi University. Their application deadline is 8th January. Their application fees is also 2,000 and they accept the scores of CAT. Next one is Willinkar, which is in Mumbai. Their deadline is 10th January and application fees is 3,000. They accept the scores of CAT, ZAT, CMAT, GMAT and ATMA. The next institute is Mudra Institute of Communications, Ahmedabad. MICA's application deadline is 16th January and their application fees is 2,100. For MICA, MyCAT exam is mandatory and you should also write one of CAT, ZAT or GMAT. The next one is KJ Somaya. Its application deadline is 18th January and the application fees is 3,000. They accept the scores of CAT, ZAT, GMAT, CMAT and NMAT. And the next one is Masters Union. Their round 1 application is already over. The deadline for round 2 application is 21st January. Their round 3 application will be opened in March. The application fees is 3,500 and it only accepts the scores of MOBAT. Next we have SDA Bakoni Asia Center. Its round 2 deadline is 22nd January and the application fees is 3,000. It accepts the scores of CAT, NMAT, GRE and GMAT. It also have their own test which is Bakoni test. Then next we have BITS School of Management. Their deadline for round 2 application is 28th January and the application fees is 1,500. They accept the scores of CAT, GMAT, GMAT Focus and GRE. The next one is International Management Institute, which is in Delhi. Their application deadline is 20th January and the application fees is 2,000. They accept the scores of CAT, ZAT and GMAT. Then we have Institute for Financial Management and Research. The deadline for round 1 application is 30th January and the application fees is 1,500. They accept the scores of CAT, ZAT, NMAT, CMAT, GMAT and GRE. The next one is IIM Mumbai, which closes their application on 31st January. The application fees is 2,000 for each program. They have 3 programs. Next we have IIT Bombay. The expected application deadline is 31st January. They haven't officially announced the application fees. They accept only CAT exam. Next one is IIT Delhi. Its application form closes on 31st January and they also haven't officially announced the application fees. It also takes the scores of CAT exam. Then we have IIT Madras. Its application form also closes on 31st January. Its application fees is 1,600. It only takes the scores of CAT exam. The last one is TA Pai Management Institute, TAPMI, which closes its application on 31st January. The application fees for one program is 1,850 and the application fees for 2 programs is 2,450, 3 programs is 3,200 and 4 programs is 4,000. They accept the scores of CAT, ZAT, NMAT and GMAT. Some colleges like FMS and other IITs have not yet released their applications. In January, they will make their application forms available. Some colleges may extend their application dates. So please track their websites regularly. We have mentioned about only the major colleges there might be other colleges which might also close their application forms in December and January. You can also visit our website where we will be updating the info zone section with information about MBA exams, college applications and other important updates. The link to the website is provided in the description and in the first comment. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to post many useful videos. Thank you.